Keto agreeable sign, a paper tag with a twine separated on white, nourishment items supporting keto diet. Ketones are a group of synthetic substances made by your liver, ordinarily out of the muscle versus fats, to give vitality when you need it. At this moment, you've in all likelihood got a few ketones flowing in your blood. In the event that you quit for the majority of a day, the degree of ketones in your blood will ascend, as your body goes to its saved to compensate for the absence of starches, otherwise known as sugars, in your framework. The keto diet attempts to hypercharge this ketone creation. The essential thought is that when individuals swear off practically all starches, evade overabundance proteins, and burden up on fat, their bodies will react by delivering ketones. Be that as it may, will all that ketone creation do any great? The keto diet as a cousin of a few other well-known weight reduction draws near, things like the Atkins plan or the paleo diet. Contrasted with these other diet designs, the keto diet prompts more weight reduction among individuals followed for in any event a year. In any case, before you get too amped up for that outcome, remember this. Over all the investigations examined, individuals on the keto diet lost distinctly about a pound or two more than those on different diets. No sugars, practically no protein, and you'll lose a couple additional pounds? It's dependent upon you to choose if that is justified, despite all the trouble. At the point when analysts join information from all the randomized preliminaries on the subject, they found that the keto diet is no better at bringing down your glucose. What about controlling your cholesterol levels through a keto diet? Apologies, it won't help, and may even raise your lipid levels. Close by these small to non-existent advantages, the keto diet conveys some significant dangers, from the apparently minor, weakness, stoppage, muscle cramps, to progressively major issues like kidney stones, pancreatitis. Also, obviously, as Shivam Joshi from NYU as of late composed, when individuals follow the keto diet, they pass up all the advantages of entire grains, natural products, and vegetables. The primary concern shows up clear to me: in the event that you need to get, or remain, sound, apply the keto diet plan. Click the link below to check if this keto diet plan applicable for you.